Hey everyone, I want to welcome you back to the kitchen. So for today's recipe, we're making I want to call it a childhood classic. Growing up, I had chili mac, which generally tend to be out of the box. So we're going to be making an upgraded version with all scratch ingredients. So we are going to be making chili mac. Whoops, almost spilled that one. How's that look? So I want to thank everybody for watching. All of my subscribers, I want to say thank you for helping to support my channel. For my new viewers, I want to say welcome. And remember, hit that like, share, and subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out any upcoming videos. So with that out of the way, let's make some chili mac. For our chili mac, we're going to need oil, onion diced, garlic minced, ground beef, chicken broth, pasta sauce, chili beans, rotel, chili powder, cumin, elbow macaroni, and shredded cheddar cheese. So we have a little bit of oil heated up over a medium-high heat in a Dutch oven. So to this, we are going to be adding in our ground beef. Break this up just a little bit. And our onion and garlic. And we're going to cook this till the beef is brown and our vegetables are tender. So we're going to be doing this probably between 5 and 10 minutes. So this has been going about 5 minutes. So to this, we are going to add in our chicken broth. Give that a good mix right there. Then we're going to, whoops, I'm going to lose that in there. Then we're going to add in our pasta sauce. And once again, I am trying not to make a mess, because if you've been around long enough, you know that whenever I'm working with any type of pasta sauce, I tend to make a mess and get it everywhere. All right, now we're going to add in our cumin and chili powder. Give that another good mix. Then we're going to be adding in our tomatoes and diced chilies, also known as rotel. I'm using the store brand, but you can use whatever brand you like. And we're adding in our chili beans. And give this a good mix. And we're going to let this come up to a boil. And once it's boiling, then we're going to add in our pasta. As you can see, everything's come up to a boil. We're going to give this just a quick stir. And I'm going to give this a quick taste test to see if we need to add any salt. Yeah, just a couple of pinches of salt. And you're going to season this up to your liking. So, yeah, that should be good right there. One more quick stir. And one more quick taste. Perfect. So now we're going to add in our pasta. Give this a quick stir. And we're going to turn this down to a simmer and cover it for 15 to 20 minutes till the pasta is done. All right, so this has been going about 15-20 minutes. So we're going to check and see if our pasta is done. Give this a quick stir. Grab one of our pieces of pasta. Oh yeah. So we're going to turn this off. And now we are going to add in our cheese. And give this a quick stir. Make sure to get all our cheese mixed in with our pasta and meat and beans. There we go. So now we're going to plate up. Got all this cheesy, meaty goodness. Doesn't that look delicious? So now that we've got our chili mac all plated up and ready to go, let's have a taste test. Although I can tell you right now, just from tasting while cooking, it's good. Oh yeah, much better than the box. So I really do hope y'all give this recipe a try. If you do, leave me a message in the comments below and tell me what you think. So once again, I want to thank everybody for watching. I want to thank my new viewers. I hope you stick around, and remember, hit that like, share, and subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. So I hope everybody has a great day. I'm going to finish off the chili mac.